Checking your account balance at Granite State Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial information. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the Granite State Credit Union official website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields to log into your online banking account. If you don't have an account, you may need to register first. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the account. If you have multiple accounts, select the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will display the current balance along with recent transactions. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account to protect your personal information. Look for the logout option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Granite State Credit Union. Regularly monitoring your account helps you stay informed about your finances.